Hello everyone, welcome back to another short video. I just want to show you how I sanitize these molds. So what I do sometime, if I know I'm going to be using it tomorrow, what I'll do to shorten my work is I will go ahead and I will do what if I need like 3 or 4 to do. So what I will do is go ahead and sanitize. I also sanitize the back too, because when I sanitize the back, sometimes I have to, like what I'm doing right now, I just peel it off. So I will sanitize the back as well because I need to put it back together. So I wash them, and what I do when I wash them, I give them a good dry for like a day so that they dry properly, because I need to like store them, pack them all in one again. So yeah, I just give them a quick wipe. And what I do, guys, I use alcohol and water. Thanks for watching, everyone.